for sure.
Manioc-based banana cream cheese dipped with this, or you drink directly. I'm not sure.
No, this is not manioc.
It has.
Oh, sorry. This is manioc.
Right.
This is
banana, cream cheese, and fish.
banana cream cheese.
Dry fish.
Yeah. What is this? Banana cream cheese with manioc, and this is like actually quite hot. Hot.
Very good. Very good.
I'm gonna try this.
No, just drink it.
Oh, drink it. Hot.
Because it makes a lot of sense to drink something that is 100 degrees.
Actually,
You know, that's actually the Asian culture.
yeah, it's the opposite.
Yeah, it's opposite.
Counterintuitive.
No ice.
Counterintuitive.
But they say it needs to be natural, not liquid.
No, like
shouldn't be cold.
Tea is okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and I actually read it could be cheaper, but like whatever. Maybe they thought we look rich. We look foreigners. Yeah.
We're not foreigners. This is self-serve. Temperature, density, speed, sediments, pH level, all makes the difference between the two different colors. The Black River is 20 degrees and 4 kilometers per hour in speed. The Amazon River is 22 degrees and about 6 kilometers per hour in speed. And that's why they're different colors, but they all get mixed up. And here you can clearly see the divide. It's very obvious. If it's more sunny, it's probably even more obvious. Right now it's about a little cloudy, so you can see there's a lot of clouds here, but it's still good. It's coming through. Room 17. Our lodge, luxurious lodge in the middle of the Amazon. Look at how big this place is. You can literally fit 5 or 10 people taking a shower at the same time if you really want to, and that is your thing. And this is the room for the 3 of us. There's a TV, crazy. Looks like I can watch the NBA Finals if I want to in the middle of the Amazon. And water here. Of course, there's a hammock outside. When you open the balcony, you would think that you're exposed to mosquitoes, but fear not. This is all net, covered in net. And so you won't really be bitten by mosquitoes here. And we are room 17. There are about 32 guests here. And here we are, trying to navigate through different parts of the Amazon forest and still gonna try to film you. This is the first day of the trip, and we are already doing work. As you can see, I don't know if you can feel the humidity. There's like a lot of water. It's not too hot, but because of the humidity, it makes it very, very hot. But that's okay. We're still trying to get out of this jungle, as you can see, full of trees, and we are navigating this. Alright, we are just waiting for our tour guide to get us another life jacket, and then we are going to on a boat tour and hunt and try to see animals that come out at night. That could include owls, rats, sloth, snakes, anything that moves.
Very nice ride.
Very nice.
Yes.
Having dinner, eating leaves. E é um macho, ó. It's a male. Male flock. Macho tem uma mãe.
And that's why I don't like to be in the trees.
Alright, this is another day at the Anavihanas Amazon Jungle Lodge. We have different kind of activity today. We're going to go on a boat ride to see if we can find pink dolphins. It's not the same dolphin that you would expect that you would see, at least not in North America. This is the kind of dolphins that kind of look like a beluga. But hopefully we'll get to see some pink dolphins. Yeah, we're looking for pink dolphins and gray dolphins. We think we are in the area because we saw a few, but it's very hard to capture on video. So we're moving slowly to see. Oh, it looks like there was one behind you just now. Alright. This looks like the log that was yesterday's log. So as part of our tour group in Anavihanas, we are visiting an indigenous community in the Amazon forest, which lives by the Black River here. They are allowed to produce for their own consumption, not really for resale. But yeah, we're here to check it out, what this community has to offer. I think there's going to be a lot of things to learn about how they make stuff, production and plants and sustainability in schools and all that stuff. So yeah, it'll be interesting.
Dá uma massadinha.
É menta, né? Uma menta não? Nossa, tem cheiro de coisa. Eu achei que era um mentol mesmo, cheiro da menta.
Oh, very minty. Okay, so this is the third day in the Amazon forest. Go for a hike, and we decided, I think it's Silvio's idea or Matia's idea, to select hard mode to do this hike. Apparently it's going to be 50 kilometers. No, it's probably like 5 or 7, I don't know, but we have to trek somewhere. We are required to wear everything long sleeve, long pants, because just in case there's a anaconda that bites our leg, at least it's somehow protected by your pants. Not really. So we were provided one of these. These are preventing anacondas or snakes from biting us. So we put on our legs, I guess on top of my knee brace. Triple protection right here. Ankle from snakes, knee brace for knee, and long pants for bugs. Armadillo?
Yeah. That channel we call in our language Igarapé. Iga is water, pé is forest.
Try not to get lost in the Amazon forest, because it looks like it's very difficult to survive here. Try to get water, try to defend yourself, try not to get cut by trees, try not to eat something that's poisonous. A lot of things. So you even have jaguars at night, so you want to stay up high in the Amazon forest. The tour guide taught us how to make hammocks. Obviously it's not that easy. It was only a 2-minute tutorial, but that's one thing you can do. This is a Piranha. Oh yes, look at the. Yep, the teeth. It's there. The big piranha. Yeah. Yep. Back. After a billion tries.
It's fine.
Here is the piranha. The teeth isn't so sharp. The piranha is actually smaller. Here's a good size scale. Yeah, you see how small this is. It's just like this big.
Go past here and after you have a big tattoo.
Okay.
If you do it like this, another thing. All the bottle.
So our last session at the Amazon Anavihanas Lodge, Amazon Forest, is what? Archery. So this is a small bow, and let me show you the bigger one. This is the bigger bow. Right here, bigger bow, much bigger. This bow is actually taller than me. I don't know if you can see. Right here, taller than me. Okay, there you go. Bottom's the fish. Good job.
Very nice.